Hello and welcome back. Okay, so let's actually try to solve an actual example by using all of the properties that we have discussed previously. Okay, so let's say you are given the following problem to solve. Negative 2 by 3a is greater than 5, and you want to find out the value of a. Again, whenever you want to find out the value of any variable, you have to isolate it. And in this case, first of all, we need to get rid of the 2 and the negative 3 in the bottom, and then when we do that, we are just going to be left with an a on the left hand side, and then we can say that we have found out the value of a. And again, on the right hand side, you have to simplify whatever is left. Okay, so in fact, first of all, let's just get rid of the negative 3 which is in the denominator. Okay, so you can do that by multiplying the negative 3 on both sides, okay, in the numerator. Okay, so we do that, and remember, because we are multiplying a negative number, you have to flip the symbol. So we flip the symbol, and then we can go on to simplifying the entire thing. Okay, so on the left hand side, the negative 3's and the negative 3's can cancel out, and we can just simply get rid of them. And on the right hand side, a positive 5 being multiplied with a negative 3, that gives us a negative 15, because a positive times a negative is just equal to a negative number. Okay, so now we are left with a with the inequality which says that 2a is less than negative 15. So that's well and good if we want to find out the value of 2a, but if we want to find out the value of a, and to do that, we need to get rid of the 2. Okay, so to get rid of the 2, we can divide the entire equation inequality. We can divide the entire inequality by 2, and you can do that. And on the left hand side, the 2's can then cancel out, and on the right hand side, let's see if we can simplify the thing. Negative 15 by 2. Now, in fact, we can't actually do anything with it, because 16 is like 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 times 7 is 14. So that means that we are actually just stuck with negative 15 by 2, because we can't actually just simplify the thing. So we are left with the following answer. Okay, which is well and good, because it is the most simplified, and in fact we can't actually simplify any further than this. Okay, so this problem says that the answer says that a is less than negative 15 by 2, which is negative 15 by 2. What is that actually? Negative 15 by 2, it is going to be 7 times 2 is 14, so it is going to be negative 7.5. okay, it is going to be less than negative 7.5. so that means that it can take on the value of negative 10, negative 5,000, negative 6,000, any number which is going to be less than 7.5. okay, negative 7.5. So that is the problem solved. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you learned something.